Hello people of the world, it's Rachel and I am back to do another makeup tutorial. Today I thought I would do something really fun and something I've personally never done before. I want to do like a very creative red, white, and blue inspired makeup look. So you could wear it to like a 4th of July party, a bonfire, a barbecue, stuff like that. So I think today I'm just going to focus on the eyeshadow. I'm only going to do my eyeshadow on camera, I think, and then maybe do like blush, highlight, and lips on camera as well. So I won't take you through the entire routine because it's basically just going to be the same products that I've been using for the past couple videos. If you haven't noticed, I actually have a new microphone, so the audio should be way better. I know it was a little bit hard to hear me last time, so I'm trying to fix that for you. So without further ado, let's get into the makeup tutorial. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do. I know that I want to incorporate like this red, maybe this red as well, and then this like bright blue shade. Not sure how. I think I'm just gonna kind of wing it at this point. I also have some new eyelashes that I'm gonna be trying out today, so I'll show you guys that as well. Maybe I'll do like a red halo eye with like blue in the center. I don't know how that'll look. Let's see how it turns out. So for my crease color, I'm going to go in with this one right here. Since this is going to be a halo eye, I want it to be just as intense on the inner corner as it is on the outer corner. Okay, so to deepen up the crease, I'm going to go in with this Eco Tools brush. It's really just like a small brush. I'm going to go in with this super dark red shade right there. I'm putting this on the outer and inner corner of my eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this flat, this is a Smashbox brush. This is a Smashbox number 9 brush. I don't even know if they still have this brush. I actually stole it from my mom when I was in like 3rd grade. And I have never done this next step before, never. So wish me luck. I'm actually going to attempt to cut out the middle part of my eye with concealer. So I'm just using my Maybelline concealer. And we're going to cut out the halo part of our eye. Guys, I'm so scared. Okay. Basically, I'm doing this so that when I put on that bright blue shade, it's really gonna pop. And just kind of pat the edges so that it blends in. For the blue, I'm going to take this flat packing type of brush, Morphe M167. We're going into this shade right here. Okay, so it's definitely purple. In the pan, it definitely looks blue. Wow, that's purple. It's so weird. It looks so blue in the pan. At this point, I'm just trying to trust the process. I think what we're gonna do to kind of remedy this is to put some of Pool Party on top to make it a little bit more blue. Hopefully that'll work. I just hit the tripod, sorry. That's definitely turning blue. So now that we've got that weird bluish duochrome shade on the lid, I'm gonna go back into those dark red colors to blur out the edges so that it looks really blended together. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that Eco Tools brush again, dip into that same bold red shade, and kind of just go over the edges to make it not quite so stark between the blue and the red. Okay, so as I said previously, I do have some new lashes to try out today. These are the Flutter lashes in the style Intoxicating. And these are, I believe these are Jaclyn Hill's favorite lashes, which is why I bought them. But they are very dramatic. Whoa. Okay, so now that I have my eyelashes on, I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then I will be right back. All right, so I am back now with my face completely done except for my lips and my under eye eyeshadow. So let's do the under eyes now. I think first I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 and dip into this one, which is the very first color that we went into. So I'm gonna put this color underneath, except I'm gonna leave the middle space bare so we can put that blue color in there. So I'm gonna go back in with that small Eco Tools brush and go into that dark red shade and put that on the same place as we just put that other color. We're basically doing everything that we did on the top onto the bottom. So we're gonna go into the Twerk color, which is that purple blue color. Okay, so now that we've got that color on, I'm gonna do the Pool Party shade to get that dimension that we got on top. All right, so the eyeshadow is done. Let me just throw some mascara on my my bottom lashes. So I'm just gonna go in with my Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lip Gloss in the color Can't Even, and I'm only gonna put this in the center. I'm gonna use my finger, blend it out. All right, guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Let me know what you thought of this tutorial in the comments down below. I love reading your guys' comments. So you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I'll put all of my information on the end screen in just a moment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great 4th of July, and I will see you on my next video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Oh my God, I'm so ugly. So since this is a smoky eye, sorry, since this in a, hi, baby. Hi, my love. My kitty just walked in. Oh my God, my chair just broke. Oh my God. Let's use that same color. You can follow me on social media. I'll put that on the end screen.